Some Akan newscasters, for that matter, fancy newscasters, have problem when reading news concerning the weather. This is because they do not know the exact vocabulary to use for some expressions or some words for the weather in Fante. In this lesson, I'm going to take you through some Fante vocabularies that should be used by Fante newscasters in their broadcast. First, weather in Fante. We say wimutsibia, wimutsibia, or you can make the U silent and you say wimtibia, wimtibia. Climate, wimu nsacher, wimu nsacher. Cloud, mununkum, mununkum, or fwa, fwa. Drought, ope, ope, or ahanamanta, ahanamanta. Earthquake, asase woso, asase woso. Environment, atsnei, atsnei, or apem, apem. Flood, nsuyir, nsuyir. Fog, kusukuku, kusukuku. Hamatan, awobir, awobir, or ope, ope. You can also say ahanamanta, ahanamanta. Lightning, inam, inam, or ayirem, ayirem. Meteorite, nyamiekuma, nyamiekuma. Nature, abodi, abodi. Ozone layer, aketewia, aketewia. Rainbow, nyankunton, nyankunton. Snow, esukwancheba, esukwancheba. Thunder, snaman, snaman. Or aprana, aprana. And you can also say agrada, agrada. Volcano, jabipo, jabipo. Valley, bonsa, bonsa. Oye, mayamfa nde adisuani si ha. Meda huma se, da huma ba ma yesuade. Wafram, cheshrenyi apia mensa. Yebe shebio, makra hum.